In this video, I'll show you how to create an outline for your text in Adobe Photoshop. So we're going to start by heading over to the text tool in the left hand side. You can also press the letter T on your keyboard to bring up the text. Then we're just going to select somewhere on the page and start typing out the text. I'll just type the word outline as a demonstration. Then we can click on the select tool and resize this to fit the page. Once you've created your text, click on layers in the bottom navigation. Right click on your text layer, click on blending options. Check the box next to stroke and then click on stroke text. Now, if I move this box over to the right, you can see that it's creating this outline for my text. Now, using the size slider, we can either increase or decrease this outline. You can change the position to inside, outside, or center. I like to set mine to outside. For the fill type, choose either color, gradient, or pattern. We're going to be selecting color and then clicking on the color palette. Here you can change the color of your outline like so. So I'm just going to keep mine as this blue color. Click on OK. And now if this is the type of effect that you want to create, you can just press OK. If you want to get rid of the black color inside of the outline, then what we can do is come back over to blending options from this navigation. And underneath advanced blending, we're going to reduce the fill opacity all the way down to 0. And now if we press OK, you can see we're just left with our outline and the middle part of this text is entirely transparent. And that's it, guys. That's how you create outlines for your text in Adobe Photoshop. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.